Hello, I am Jacob. I'm going to be showing you my golden coins. I have a dollar coin. I'm sure many of you guys have seen this before. Dollar coin. I have a couple of these golden quarters. I don't remember where I got them. I just have a couple of them. Here, let me see how many. 2, 3, 4. Wow. 5, 6, 7. I have 7 of those golden quarters. I still don't know how much they are worth, but... And I have 5 of the dollar coins. $5 coins. And I don't know what this is, but... Come on, where is it? I have a penny from... I don't know where actually it's from. I have a penny with a girl on it instead of Abraham Lincoln. I have a... I don't know how much it's worth, but like a coin from the Philippines. Philippines? Wait. Coin from the Philippines. And then I just collect a lot of the pennies with this on the back. I have 50-something of them. And yeah, those are all my golden coins.